Affirm my allegiance to the three promises of the Scout Code.
As I look over my years of scouting, there has been many great people who have mentored me. And I'm beyond thankful to all of you that helped me on this journey to Eagle. And I could not have done this without you. So there's a few people I would like to thank. Thank you, Ms. Alvarez, who pushed me, who pushed not just me, but all the scouts to do all they can and help me get the most out of scouting. Mr. Bachmeyer, whose son Chase got me into scouts and helped me greatly in improving my aim. Mr. Bush, who was an incredible help, in helping me not only keep track of my progress towards Eagle, but also help all the scouts with their badges, as well as many other adults as well. Now, I am thankful to every single one of them, and many more, but I only have one mentor pin, and I am pleased to award my mentor pin to Mr. Showalter. Please come up. He has been an incredible scoutmaster and mentor to me throughout scouting, and has helped me immensely, and I can't thank him enough for the help he has given me and the leadership he has taught me during my time as senior patrol leader. He helped guide me through how to lead a troop, and he really took me under his wing. And with that, I'm honored to award my mentor pin.